In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the paper jam in your Epson WorkForce 2950 all-in-one printer. So you can see the power light is flashing. On the display screen it says the paper jam is there. Now we have to go to the back of the printer. At the back you will see we have to press this section and open the rear section of the printer. Also take the papers out. Now pull it out. Now slide it back in, so just like this, and put it on the main position. Load the paper again. On the screen click on this button and wait for the printer. So this way we can fix the paper jam. Thanks for watching.